Playing with your food is so on trend, but I don't have time to make little bunnies, little pandas, little whatever. But I love food and flowers. Let me show you this fun technique. One of the joys of being a florist today is so many amazing materials and the freedom to mix and match. So beautiful garden roses. This one is Garden Romance from gardenrosesdirect.com. But pairing it with wild dill, bunny tails, and then stopping at the grocery store and adding in peppers. Yes, the perfect vessel for flowers. You can use them as is, or cut them, open it up, and go ahead and add water. They become the perfect vessel. As I begin, I think about my focal flowers, placing them first. The Garden Romance roses, cutting it down, setting it in. Think about how tall I want it to be. I think I'm going to shorten it just a bit. Then coming back, Alstroemeria from Florabundance. Isn't that a beautiful piece? Tucking it in. Maybe adding a second, creating a little more impact, finding the perfect stem. There's a good one. And lowering it just a bit to draw the eye back in the arrangement. As I continue, I think about pulling the eye from side to side. So even when you're doing a component design like this, you still want your elements and principles. You want that line, you want spacing, giving it a cut, dropping it in, pulling that dark red front to back, picking up the red, and then adding in with interest, maybe some dill, letting it come out to the side, expanding the arrangement, the bunny tails to give a little bit of soft whimsy, coming up taller, then coming into the center, a few more of the bunny tails, and a little bit more of the Alstroemeria, and then just tucking in until you like the flow from side to side and front to back. Finish just a little bit more of the more natural gardening. Some clover, cutting it short, bringing that red hue back towards the center, repeating that. It adds texture, color, contrast, coming out from the side. And then turning it, looking to see where else you need to add. A little more dill, a little more bunny tails, what color and texture you desire. The recipe, actually quite simple. I started with 6 peppers from the grocery store. 3 of them I carved out, the rest I just laid. Then 2 of the Garden Romance garden roses from gardenrosesdirect.com. They open beautifully. Soft fragrance, not a major fragrance, but they are so gorgeous with that deep red. Alstroemeria, 3 stems, and this all came from florabundance.com. Then I filled in with a dozen bunny tails. I know, tucked them in and out, just all around. 10 of the clover to give that nice draping, and just 2 of the dill to add a little bit of texture. Designing casually in the summertime is such fun. Just don't forget your elements and principles of design. You'll find more inspiration and education on the website, flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us through there. But now it's your turn. Gather your flowers, stop at the grocery store and get a bit of produce, and create a fabulous design. Be sure to take a picture and post it on social media, #FloyalDesignInstitute. That way we all can see what you do as you do something you love.